Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stew kingfish. This classic dish is packed with flavor and surprisingly simple to prepare. First, you'll need about 2 pounds of fresh kingfish, cut into thick steaks. We'll also use a vibrant mix of aromatics, including fresh garlic, ginger, and a medium onion. Don't forget your colorful bell peppers, ripe tomatoes, and a Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic kick. Let's get cooking. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the fish. Start by thoroughly cleaning your kingfish steaks with fresh lime juice and cold water to remove any impurities. Pat them dry with paper towels. Next, season the fish generously with a blend of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of paprika. For the best flavor, allow the seasoned fish to marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if time permits. This step is crucial for a rich taste. With your fish marinating, it's time to build the flavorful stew base. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat a few tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Sauté your chopped onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger until they are fragrant and softened, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add your diced bell peppers and chopped tomatoes, cooking them down until they are tender. Finally, stir in a tablespoon of tomato paste and about 1/2 cup of fish or vegetable broth to create a rich sauce. Once your stew base is ready, gently nestle the marinated kingfish steaks into the simmering sauce. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 15 minutes or until the fish is flaky and cooked through. Be careful not to overcook it. Serve your delicious stewed kingfish hot, perhaps alongside fluffy white rice, boiled provisions, or a fresh salad. It's a truly satisfying meal. And hey, for an easy cleanup after your culinary adventure, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.